The third one actually is probably the most difficult question in opportunity cost. Now the key here is for you to understand first what the value is of going to see Dylan. And the value of going to see Dylan is basically well, your value of Dylan is actually, so value of Dylan is $50, and the cost is $40. So after you see Dylan, after you pay the $40, what do you have left of value is the $10, right? So the net value of seeing Dylan is $10, right? It's not $50 because you have to spend $40 to see Dylan. It's like when you go and buy a soda for $2 and you're willing to pay $3 for the soda and you pay actually $2. Well, after buying the soda, how much better off you are? Well, you're better off $1 because you were willing to pay $3 and you only pay for $2. Now notice that no one is actually giving you $1. It's something that happens sort of in your mind and abstractly, right? It's a hypothetical construct so that we can measure the value that consumers get from buying something in dollar terms so we can compare it to the cost. So even though no one is, for this person, even though no one is giving you $50, you actually are willing to pay $50. You end up paying $40. So after you see Dylan, you're $10 better off because that's a leftover from the money you were willing to pay after you pay for it. So if you understand that the net value of seeing Dylan is $10, then clearly the cost of not seeing Dylan is whatever you would have gained if you saw Dylan, which is $10. So the cost of not seeing Dylan is $10. So clearly the cost of going to see Eric Clapton, which won't allow you to see Dylan, would also be $10. Okay, so so the cost of seeing Eric Clapton is you're giving up the net value you get from Dylan, which is $10.